Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The doctors bowed to the dead child. Nobody held back tears. Many children dream of being superheroes and saving those in need of help. 11-year-old Liang Yaoyi from South China's Guangdong province was actually able to make an incredible difference and be a hero for others. He had been fighting brain cancer since he was 9, and surgeries and treatments were not able to eliminate the tumor. As he neared the end, he revealed to his mother that he wanted her to donate his organs so that he could save the lives of other children. It was likely that he had read about tissue donation at school through one story about bone marrow donations to treat leukemia and another titled Immortal Eyes. I have seen many people doing good deeds, and I think they are great. I want to be a great child too, he reportedly told his mother. Liang passed away on June 6th, and doctors were able to harvest his liver and kidneys that were successfully transplanted into others who needed them. The medical staff with Liang at the end were very touched by his bravery and selflessness, and someone snapped a photo of them bowing 3 times to show their utmost respect for him. Liang most certainly died a hero and will continue to live on through the organs he was able to donate. While scientists are making incredible advancements in the development of replacement organs made from stem cells, synthetic blood for transfusion, and leukemia treatment, those products are not yet to the point where they have replaced the need for human organ, blood, and bone marrow donors. How high is the need? Blood. Someone needs blood every 2 seconds in the United States, and 41,000 donations are needed each day to meet this demand. Over 30 million blood components are used each year for a variety of reasons, including those undergoing chemotherapy, those with diseases like sickle cell disease, and those who have suffered trauma like a car accident. Bone marrow. Around 49 bone marrow transplants are performed each day in the U.S., though that isn't quite enough to meet demand. 6 people die each hour from blood cancer, and someone else is diagnosed every 4 minutes. Organs. Over 100,000 people are currently on the wait list to receive a donated organ in the United States. 18 people die every day while they wait in vain for the life-saving phone call that never comes. Another name is added to the list every 10 minutes. Ready to be a hero? The following list will help you find where you can get registered to be a donor based on your location. It's important to get registered and make your family aware of your intentions. Do not simply put the request in your will, as wills are not read until weeks after the funeral when it's far too late. Even if you have health issues that bar you from donating blood or organs, you can still support the effort by recruiting those who are healthy enough to donate and volunteering your time.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.